Hello viewers, a lot of users actually wanted to buy iPad 10th generation during Flipkart's Diwali sale, but unfortunately the price of this tablet has not decreased a lot, as a result of which the offer is not so good during Diwali sale both in Flipkart and in Amazon.in. If you want to buy this tablet from Amazon.in, in that case you have to have ICICI credit card and you will get this device at 29,249 rupees, and if you are planning to buy this from Flipkart using SBI credit card, you can buy iPad 10th generation at 29,000 rupees. But I don't think that the price of this tablet is good enough right now, so it will be very a wise decision if you wait for few days and then buy this tablet. Actually the price of iPad 10th generation is 34,000 rupees, but if you buy it from authorized reseller, in that case also you can buy this at 29,000 rupees using all the credit cards, offers and cashbacks. Many people have already bought iPad 10th generation at 26,000 rupees during BBD sale, so I think you should wait for another sale. The price of this tablet may come down anytime. Soon iPad 11th generation will launch in India, so definitely the price of iPad 10th generation will decrease with the launch of iPad 11. So if you ask me whether you should buy iPad 10th generation right now, I would suggest you to wait for a few days when the offers will come, and I will let you know about the offers through video. Many people actually want to buy this tablet for video editing, as it comes with A14 Bionic chipset. You can see that the rendering speed of this tablet is very good. I have sped up the video up to 3x so that you can understand how good the processor is, and the video editing on this tablet is really excellent. I edit all my videos on iPad 10. Plus the 11-inch display is really excellent on this tablet. You can enjoy your multimedia content on this, whether it is YouTube or any other OTT platforms. You will thoroughly enjoy your multimedia consumption on this tablet. If you compare this tablet with Tab S9 FE Plus side by side, you can see that the brightness level on this tablet is more, and also the display is more vibrant than Tab S9 FE Plus. I have made a dedicated comparison video between these two tablets, so if you want to watch that video, links are in the description below. Also multitasking on this tablet is very good, though it has only 4 GB of RAM, but you will not feel any shortage in terms of RAM. Plus I have tested the device on Netflix. In Netflix also you can see that the quality of the display is excellent and you will thoroughly enjoy contents on OTT platforms. Currently this device is running on iPad OS 18.0.1 and you can customize your apps and also change the color and look and feel. So in fine, customization option has been increased in this iPad OS 18.0.1. Now you can also edit your notification center, you can add many layers and you can add control according to your preference. These kinds of customizations were not available in previous update. After iPad OS 18, all these features have been included and it gives a new look and refreshing feel to your tablet. You will never get bored of your tablet customization. So these are many changes that have occurred after iPad OS 18.0.1. So finally, in the conclusion, I would suggest you to wait for few days when the offers will come and you can buy this device well under 26,000 rupees. If you want to get notified about the new offers, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on. I will let you know about the offers and deals on tablets and smartphones. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.